Join me as I challenge myself to create the most delicious baked turkey leg using a unique pineapple and pepper recipe. I am super excited to share this recipe with you guys. It's a game changer. The combination of sweet pineapple and flavorful peppers and juicy turkey is absolute perfection. We are starting off this recipe by seasoning our turkey with dry spices. In this bowl I have one turkey leg that I'm going to be using in this recipe. So I'm going to start off with 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, or if you have fresh ginger, go right ahead and use it, and I will leave the substitutions in the description box. Half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, or if you have fresh garlic, use 2 fresh garlic chopped. I'm also seasoning this with half teaspoon of salt. All these flavors are going to pair very well with our pineapple and peppers. So we're going to set this aside. I am going to use a small mini food processor to chop my peppers and the other herbs that I have. So I'm using a very small flavor pepper, 2 small sprigs of cilantro. If you don't have cilantro, you can use 1 Beni leaf, 1 small sweet pepper. If you don't have the small sweet pepper, you want to use 1/4 of a medium yellow sweet pepper, 1 mini red sweet pepper. If you don't have the mini one, again use 1/4 of a regular sweet pepper, 1 orange bell pepper, sweet pepper, same thing. If you don't have it, use 1/4 of a medium one. And this is going to give us that festive color that we are looking for. I am also adding some thyme in here. This is fresh thyme. As you already know, turkey has a kind of gamey taste, and I'm trying to get that out of the turkey. I'm going to pulse it just because I want some texture to the mix. I'm going to stop right here, and I'm adding 5 slices of pineapple. If you have fresh pineapple, you want to use that. This is good. And this is what it looks like. I am using 2 tablespoons of my Tsp Green seasoning that I have on my channel. It's also very colorful and flavorful. This has the onions, the green onions and everything in it. You can check out that recipe. And I'm going to dump the pineapple pepper mix in here. It smells so good already, and it reminds me so much of a pineapple chow. But this is not that. This is way more flavorful than that. So we're going to stick some of our mixture, some of our pineapple inside of the turkey. We're going to allow this to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to place it in my baking dish. These are also going to shrink, and I'm going to coat them with the rest of our seasonings. I'm going to bake these in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it's done, I will let you know how long it took to bake them. After 1 hour and 20 minutes and 2 base, this is our final product. If your turkey is cut thinner, then it will take less time. Look at that. Perfect golden brown and super juicy. The pineapple and pepper just melts right into the meat. Adding a sweet blend with the herbs that we used. Give this recipe a try and in the comments below let me know how it turned out. If you want to support my channel, give the video a thumbs up or subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.